What's up, guys? It's Triz with Earth. Let's talk about Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey, the co-founder and CEO of Twitter and founder and CEO of Square, introduced a new business literally called TBD with the purpose of developing non-custodial, permissionless, decentralized financial services. At the time, it wasn't exactly clear what the plan was, but 2 months later, Dorsey tweeted again, and now the plan is clear: to build an open developer platform to create a decentralized exchange for Bitcoin. But it's more than that. Mike Brock, leading the effort on behalf of Dorsey, tweeted out more details that the plan is to create a platform to build on and off ramps into Bitcoin. We can think about this as a decentralized exchange for fiat. So the real news here isn't that Jack Dorsey is developing a decentralized exchange, but that he's building a decentralized exchange with fiat on-ramps and off-ramps. It'll be interesting to see the intended development path. As soon as I know, I'll let you know. So be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next time.
Earth is a fixed supply digital asset backed by Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ownership of the planet itself. To learn more about Earth, visit earth.io and prepare yourself for the distribution of Earth to the public.